Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Ijaz Yusuf from Asas National School, Senior Boys Campus, Rawali Kent, Gujranwala. Dear students, as you know that due to present pandemic coronavirus situation, all educational institutions have been closed. But SAS school has made special effort for you that your time should not be wasted. Dear students, in my first lecture, we studied about science, biology, abiotic factors, main divisions of biology. Today is my second lecture. Chapter is Introduction to Biology. Branches of biology. Dear students, today lecture comprises of 4 branches of biology, but in the beginning I am giving you 16 name of biology branches. Number 1 is morphology, number 2 is anatomy, so on, histology, then cell biology, physiology, genetics, embryology, taxonomy, paleontology, environmental biology, sociobiology, parasitology, biotechnology, immunology, entomology, and in the end, pharmacology. Today's lecture comprises of first 4 branches: morphology, anatomy, histology, cell biology. Now come to again morphology. Dear student, morph means structure. This branch deals with the study of form and structure of living organisms. For example, external structure of fish and external structure of flower parts. Second is anatomy. It deals with the study of internal structure of living organisms. Here in diagram, human anatomy is given to you. This is trachea or windpipe. These are lungs. We have one pair of lungs. Then heart, liver, stomach, spleen, kidney, pancreas, and colon. Histology. Microscopic study of tissues is called histology. What are tissues? Group of same type of cells assembled together is called tissue. Mean to say, when same type of cells combine together, they form tissue. Here are some examples of tissue. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues are further classified into 4 categories. In unit number 4, you will discuss all these tissue in detail. Now, cell biology. As you know, dear student, cell is the basic functional and structural unit of life. In cell biology, we study structure and functions of cell and cell organelles. For example, mitochondria. ribosomes, and nucleus, etc. In cell biology, we also study cell division. Now, I will tell you briefly about the function of cell organelle, mitochondria. It works in cellular respiration. Main function of mitochondria is in cellular respiration. In detail, you will go through this mitochondria in unit number 4. Now ribosomes. Ribosomes is the site of protein synthesis. Ribosome is the site of protein synthesis. Mean to say, it is organelle which is responsible for protein synthesis in the cell. Now, nucleus. Nucleus is the main part of cell. It controls all the function of cell. Dear student, here is assignment related to today's lecture. Please submit this assignment on assignment paper and we will check it. How many branches of biology are there? Why are there so many branches of biology? What is meaning of morph? What are tissues? Give examples and also draw diagrams. What is the basic structural and functional unit of life? What is function of mitochondria? Draw its diagram. What is function of ribosomes? Draw its diagram. What is function of nucleus? Draw its diagram. For further reference, you can have books of pure biology O level, first year biology PTB, and there is an app eLearn Punjab. You can download it from Google Play Store in your Android set or whatever laptop you have. Okay, my dear student, see you in the next lecture. I hope you have gone through this lecture thoroughly. My last message